All you YouTubers, Ray Sue here. I am here just to give you a little quick infomercial on something that I discovered that I love and I want to share with you because sharing is caring. It is sleek, it is chic, and it's something that all of you probably love, and that is to smell good. What am I talking about? I am talking about a subscription to Scentbird. What is Scentbird? It is a subscription to a company that sends you a fragrance every month for only $13 a month. $13 a month is all it is for you to get a designer fragrance in the mail every single month. And it comes in this nifty little pouch right here. It's this nifty little tube that comes in this nifty little pouch that you can carry around in your purse. So cute. Let me tell you, the little valve has so much fragrance in it, I can't use it enough to where I use up a fragrance a month. So I literally have all of these pouches that I have yet to even open yet. I'm so excited. But I have 5 different packages. So I'm going to open this one up for you. Just every single month you get a new fragrance. And this month I'm receiving Oscar de la Renta. And I have my valve that is all used up. I've already used up this fragrance. And your new fragrance that comes in the mail comes in a nice little pouch as well. But you just take it out of that pouch full of fragrance and you put it in your dispenser and voila. And you just lift it up like that, and that's how you spray it. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. I don't know if you could see that or not, but that's a perfume bottle, and then there's a birdie in there. So cute. You just twist it down, you put it back into your pouch, and you're ready to go. When you're done with it, you just pull it out like that.
Like voila, and you replace it with a new fragrance.
You cannot beat this subscription. If you like to smell good every day, I would recommend that you subscribe to Scentbird. Scentbird, it's awesome.